intergovernmental institution for the use of microalgae spirulina through spirulina initiatives that have a special priority for the developing and the least developed countries, is committed for the same. The microalgae spirulina, not only because of high nutritional components, but also other factors such as an easy availability, accessibility, affordability, and assimilation in human body where the other supplements fail, holds significant potential to realize a world free of hunger and malnutrition and achieve the United Nations Millennium Development Goals. And each one of us that is present here would be an agent to realize and accomplish our mission of a world free of hunger and malnutrition. Thank you. Muchas gracias.
The more we study, the more we fall in love into spirulina. Oh, it's very good food, you know. We say that Ganoderma and spirulina, maybe Ganoderma is a king, then spirulina must be the queen. And when these two combine together, we have perfect food. That's why now we have so many beautiful testimony when these two are combined together. Ganoderma and spirulina is not my food supplement, it's my main food. You must take Ganoderma, you must take spirulina, because they are more potent than vegetable. They are more important than vegetable.